Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Made in Spain Bahco Tools. In this episode, we're gonna take a look into screwdriver set in foam insert. This video is continuation of previous videos. These tools made by Bahco are made in Spain. Nowadays, similar tools are made in Taiwan or China. I got these from Finnish local shop with 70% discount. It just cost me around 20 euros only. The part number of this set is FF1E101EH. The set includes 6 screwdrivers. Here are the sizes of screwdrivers. You can see here, made in Spain. Let's open up the box. The length of the foam insert is 48 cm and the width is 18.5 cm. The thickness of foam is 3 cm. Foam quality is pretty good. The foam is cut under the handle insert. Press and pick the screwdrivers. I have been using newest screwdrivers from Bahco for quite some time, but these are made in pretty high quality. Workmanship is top notch. These are comfort grip handles. Bahco with fish logo is stamped onto the orange part. This orange part is made out of hard plasticky material. The black part is made out of softer material. Now these yellow and orange corners are hard plastic and it gives beautiful touch to the handle. Small dotted squares are protruding a bit for the better grip. If you look closely, the black part around those squares got small dots. I think this is purely for anti-slip feature of oily hand and for better grip. Here you can see the letter Spain is stamped. It's got barcode stamp too. Here you can see part number. I'm surprised how beautiful every detail is applied onto the screwdriver. Because newest screwdriver does not have any marking or detail other than screw size number, I don't have newest screwdrivers with me at this moment. Otherwise, I would have given a comparison. I love the grip of the handle. I think this handle from Bahco is well thought out. So much details in ergonomics of this handle and it feels high quality. I am very impressed with the grip. Now this is not just a normal screwdriver. It's got striking metal cap on it. It means it can be used for impact with a hammer. The cap has black oxidized coating which eventually will gone away by continuous strikes of hammer. Guys, remember, this is not a chisel. It cannot be used as a pry bar or a chisel for that matter. Every tool has its purpose. Another feature of this screwdriver is you can use wrench to turn the screwdrivers for an odd situation. With this screwdriver, 11mm wrench can be used to turn the screwdriver. Awesome feature. There are times when this feature could be handy. Let me show you how the foam is laser cut out to press and pick the screwdriver. Here you can see the foam is laser cut nicely onto the corner. Orange color is matching the Bahco brand color. Let's pick another screwdriver for a quick look. Same story. The screwdriver looks high quality and the workmanship is amazing. Now look at the corner plastic part. It's got purple color. So PZ screwdrivers are purple colored, whereas slotted screwdrivers are yellow, which is well thought out for easy and quick pickup. Well, this just got only 2 PZ screwdrivers. Here you can see the size numbers and part number are laser etched. Now look at the quality of the tip. Well cut and well crafted. Here is the smaller slotted screwdriver. Every screwdriver is well made. Look at the metal part, nice and symmetrical. This one is smallest of all, same quality. Every detail is well made on this screwdriver. Now this is the only screwdriver which does not have striking metal cap. I think due to its small size. But what a beautiful screwdrivers are these. I really miss Bahco product made in Sweden and Spain. It's a shame that now Bahco removed their production line to China and Taiwan. I'm not against outsourcing tools from China or somewhere else if the quality is not compromised. But I can see new tools from Bahco are not the same as they used to be. But I can understand they have to compete with other brands regarding affordability. Alright guys, that's it with the video. Feel free to comment below and let me know your thoughts about these. Thanks for coming along. Consider to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video.